Welcome to programminginparadise.com. I hope you're doing well and wanted to thank you for checking out our brand new course on Crestron programming. There are millions of videos out on YouTube and wanted to thank you for watching Programming in Paradise. This is a quick video demonstrating how to initialize your processor and your touch panels. The first thing you want to do is launch Toolbox. Find the Device Discovery tab or button and press the button and let your software go out and discover all the devices on your network. Once all the devices are discovered, create a new address book. Once your new address book is created, launch the text console. In the bottom window, select your address book you just created. Select your processor. Once the software recognizes your processor, type in the word Initialize. Type yes, and then the processor starts initializing. Repeat the same steps for your touch panel. Once again, type Initialize and Y for yes. After your devices have initialized, all of their programming is erased and the devices are back to factory specs. Thank you for watching this quick Programming in Paradise.com Crestron device initialization video. And don't forget to click subscribe to keep up to date with our latest videos and tutorials.